Our next topic discussion, BT cotton plants. Why does BT cotton plant? Why does BT cotton? Sorry. Why does BT toxin? Why does BT toxin not kill bacteria? Here one question for about remarks. So BT toxin. So BT cotton plants topic finished. Okay. So applications of biotechnology in agriculture. In that topic. So how BT cotton plants are produced in last class we have discussed. Next, from that only, here 3 marks question, there is a chances to ask, why does BT cotton not kill bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis? That is the question. So here, so the soil bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis, the soil bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis forms insecticidal protein or BT toxin. BT toxin. That BT toxin is called insecticidal protein. Insecticidal protein. Bacillus thuringiensis, the soil bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis forms BT toxin. That BT toxin kills insects. So the toxin is a protein substance. It kills insects. Therefore, it is called insecticidal protein. So these bacteria forms produce BT toxin. That is insecticidal protein at a particular phase of their growth. At a particular phase of their growth means what? When bacteria is growing. When bacteria is growing at that moment. During particular phase of their growth, when bacteria is growing, so during their growth, when it reaches to proper maturity stage, at that time, the BT bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria produces a toxin. The toxin kills insects. Okay, that's it. So next, so this toxin, BT toxin is commonly called critoxin or cryprotein, commonly called critoxin or cryprotein. So BT toxin commonly called critoxin or cryprotein, which can kill only insects. Then here our topic is what? Why does this BT toxin, toxin, it is present in the bacteria? Why not kill the bacteria? Why does it kill only insects? That is our question. So see here, this BT toxin, it is present in the bacteria in an inactive protoxin form. Inactive protoxin form. It is present in bacteria in an inactive protoxin form. As long as this toxin, this poison is present in the bacteria, it will present in inactive protoxin. Inactive form. Okay. So when the leaf part or any plant part, when leaf part or any plant part is ingested or entered into the insect gut, when any plant part, that's maybe leaf or shoot or seed or whatever it may be, when the leaf part, any part is ingested into the insects or into the digestive system or gut. So in the gut, this toxin is converted into active form of toxin due to the alkaline pH of gut. In the digestive system of the insects, this inactive protoxin is solubilizes into active form. Because in the digestive system of the insects, alkaline pH will be there. Due to that alkaline pH, this inactive form of protoxin solubilizes, dissolves and converted into active toxin. So here, as long as this toxin is present in the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, it would present in inactive form. When it is entered into the insects, in the insects gut, due to the alkaline pH, it will be dissolves and converted into active toxin. Inactive protoxin is converted into active toxin. That only insects digestive system, the toxin is solubilizes in alkaline pH of the digestive system or gut. Therefore, Bt bacteria gets protection from the Bt toxin and can kill only insects. In such a way, Bacillus bacteria gets protection from the toxin. Okay, so these are all the points I have to mention. Why does Bt toxin not kill bacteria? As long as this bacteria contains this toxin, it is in inactive form. Okay, so when it is entered into the plant material, when the plant material is entered into the insects, in the insect's digestive system, it will be converted into active form. You may get out here. So first, from Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria produces Bt toxin. In this bacteria, the gene which is producing toxin, that gene is collected. That particular gene is collected and multiplied through cloning or amplification, through cloning or PCR. Those multiplied Bt toxin genes are transferred into the plants. They will be transferred into the plants. That Bt toxin gene is integrated with this and developed in this one Bt toxin gene. Bt toxin gene is developed in this plant. Then this plant is called Bt cotton plant, Bt brinjal plant, Bt tomato plant, Bt banana, genetically modified banana, genetically modified tomato, potato, brinjal, cabbage. There are a number of agricultural crops commonly called as genetically modified plants or transgenic plants or transgenic crops. So in this plant, Bt toxin gene is present. That gene synthesizes toxin, poison. So when any insect feeds on, when feeds either plant, leaf or shoot or whatever it may be the part, then these parts enter into the digestive system of the insects. So along with that plant part, that Bt toxin, inactive form of protoxin also entered into the digestive system of the larva or insects. When soon after enter into the digestive system of the insects, it gets activated and kills the bacteria. Okay, so this is the explanation about why does Bt toxin not kill bacteria and kills only insects. Okay, next, action of Bt toxin. Action of Bt toxin on on insect. Okay, action of Bt toxin on insects digestive system or gut. So when this Bt toxin, Bacillus thuringiensis toxin, is entered into the insects, gut, immediately it solubilizes. It solubilizes with acidic, sorry, alkaline pH. With alkaline pH. Immediately it solubilizes in alkaline pH and gets turned to active form. So this active form of toxin, active form of toxin, active form of toxin. Active form of toxin, inactive form of toxin turned to be active in the digestive system of the insects. In the insects, that active form of toxin binds to the specific parts of the gut, that is middle part of the digestive system. Middle part of the digestive system, not only middle part. So inside of the digestive system, it will be binds, that active toxin binds to the gut, especially inside middle part of the gut. When it binds to the gut or digestive system or inside of the digestive system, it will shows its effect on epithelial lining of the gut and creates key pores. So after entering into the digestive system of the insect, inside of the insect digestive system, it is binds to the epithelial lining and creates pores. In such a way, it increases pores. It increases number of pores. As a result of this pores, the middle part of the digestive system becomes lysis of some major parts. Broken down, the digestive system of the insects broken down. Then the insect gets killed. Okay, so insect cannot show its further damage on crop. In such a way, insects will die, and cotton plant, not only cotton plant, brinjal plant, tomato plant, potato plant, whatever may be the plants genetically modified and cultivating, those plants gets protection and increase the crop. This is the action of Bt toxin on insect, that is digestive system. In such a way, so Bt plants, Bt cotton plant, Bt brinjal plant, Bt banana, Bt potato, cabbage, there are number of variety of crops gives additional benefits to the farmers. Due to the usage of these genetically modified plants, reduce the dependence on insecticides and pesticides, and also increase the crop. Okay, so in such a way, so these Bt cotton plants, Bt plants are genetically modified plants, gives economical benefit to the farmers by reducing the dependence on insects and pesticides. resistance. First, applications of biotechnology in agriculture. In that heading, so first application, BT cotton plant. Next application, pest resistant. So insects resistant.